How to place an order on MT5. Again, this is really, really simple. What you want to do is head over to the MT5 platform. You want to drag over the market you want to trade. Let's say, for example, I want to trade the Australian dollar versus the Japanese yen. Right click, trading, then down to new order. Now the type of order will depend on your strategy, of course. If you want to do an exchange execution, that basically means you're trading from the current market price, or you can set a pending order where your trade will be tagged in at a certain level. The volume here will be your lot size starting from 0.01. So say I wanted to do 0.05. Your stop loss and your take profit is important to put in as well. Your stop loss price level will limit your potential losses when the unexpected happens. And the take profit price level is to execute the trade at the best possible level so your trade will get stopped out in profit at a certain level. So, based on my analysis, I want to, for example, put my stop loss down at 96.550. I'm looking to buy the market, so my take profit is going to be up at 96.790. Depending on your strategy, whether you want to sell or buy. So I'm buying the market because my take profit is 96.790. So that's up here. And my stop loss is down at 95.550. And then I click buy. And you can see the trade populates at the bottom here. So you'll actually be able to see a live feed of when the profits are ticking up and down. And it will all be down at in this terminal window here. And if I was to close out the trade, right click, I can modify. If I'm not quite happy with it, I can change my stop loss or take profit. I can also